The new LBX Morizo RR was developed alongside master driver Akio Toyoda, also known as Morizo, to deliver the refined signature Lexus driving quality and sophisticated design. This high-performance model is designed to enhance the dialogue between driver and car, evoke spontaneous smiles, and provide an exhilarating out-of-the-ordinary experience. Equipped with a 1.6L inline-3 intercooler turbo engine, it delivers exhilarating torque and power. To fully utilize this power, the fundamental characteristics of the car were thoroughly refined. A dedicated platform was developed in order to achieve a balance between agility and power, to ensure a high level of control on various road surfaces. The response-enhancing damping structure, a world first, was adopted on the front lower arms, enhancing responsiveness while dampening. Furthermore, in pursuit of the distinctive quietness that is characteristic of Lexus, source control measures were thoroughly implemented to suppress noise and vibration even during sporty driving. To maximize vehicle performance, features such as a direct shift 8AT and a Lexus First 6-speed IMT intelligent manual transmission have been adopted. Additionally, an electronically controlled full-time AWD has been incorporated to enhance the sporty driving experience. In terms of design, the aim was to express both luxury and a presence transcending the size hierarchy of the LBX.